Hello viewers, welcome to our channel Try to Learn. In this video, we will learn about degree of comparison. We will learn adjectives of positive form and we will also write their comparative and superlative forms. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button, and for more such videos, consider subscribing to our channel Try to Learn. Before moving into the video, let's understand what is the degree of comparison. To describe, quantify, modify or identify nouns, pronouns, adjectives are used or reused. Adjectives have their own degrees called degrees of adjectives or degrees of comparison that compare one thing or person to another. Adjectives have 3 degrees of comparison. First is positive degree of adjectives. Second is comparative degree of adjectives. And last and third one is superlative degree of adjectives. Now, let's learn some basic adjectives and then all the 3 forms. First word is good. Its comparative form is better and superlative form is best. Next is healthy. Its comparative form is healthier and superlative form is healthiest. Next word is bad. Its comparative form is worse and its superlative form is worst. Next adjective is far. Its comparative form is farther and superlative form is farthest. Next adjective is little. Its comparative form is less and superlative form is least. Next word is many. Its comparative form is more and superlative form is most. Next word is old. Its comparative form is elder and superlative form is eldest. Next adjective is late. Its comparative form is later and superlative form is latest. Next adjective in our list is dark. Its comparative form is darker and superlative form is darkest. Next is wise. Its comparative form is wiser and superlative form is wisest. Next word is safe. Its comparative form is safer and superlative form is safest. Next word is full. Its comparative form is fuller and superlative form is fullest. Next adjective in our list is soft. Its comparative form is softer and superlative form is softest. Next word is fast. Its comparative form is faster and superlative form is fastest. Next adjective in our list is clean. Its comparative form is cleaner and superlative form is cleanest. Next word is brief. Its comparative form is briefer and superlative form is briefest. Next word is simple. Its comparative form is simpler and superlative form is simplest. Next adjective in our list is scary. Its comparative form is scarier and superlative form is scariest. Next word is sharp. Its comparative form is sharper and superlative form is sharpest. Next word is dry. Its comparative form is drier and superlative form is driest.